welcome back, or if you are new here, hello and welcome. My name is Leah. Thank you so much for joining me here today. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you what came in my January 2020 Bijou Beauty Box. If you aren't familiar with Bijou Beauty Box, it is a monthly beauty subscription box. It is $30 USD every month, and I believe it is $5.99 shipping, something like that. But if you sign up for like a 6-month term, you pay the $30 a month, but you only pay the shipping one time. So that's kind of their deal, and I really appreciate that because there's something to be said when you only pay for shipping one time out of 6. So I appreciate it. I like that, and that's what I did sign up with for. I believe this is the 4th box I've gotten, so I have 2 more to go, and then I am going to be renewing it because I really do enjoy this box. It's one I look forward to every month, and it is one of my favorites. Now in it you do get 5 full-size items, and you know, the value might not be there compared to something like BoxyCharm or what is it, Ipsy Plus or whatever their comparable price box is, but in it you get a lot of brands that you aren't seeing in other boxes. So you're getting things that for someone like me who has a large collection, I don't necessarily want to be seeing the popular things coming in because I already have those or I've already tried them. So for me this is nice because I'm getting brands that maybe I haven't heard of before, or things that I've heard of but I haven't been able to try and that sort of thing. So that is how Bijou Beauty Box is different. And also, I am going to rave about them until I have a different experience, but I don't think I will. Their customer service is phenomenal. I mean, they are on top of things. They are human. Mistakes do happen, but they are right there really quick fixing it, making it better. The other thing I do have to say is Bijou Beauty Box does take a while to ship throughout the month, so I did get this box the beginning of February, but I know that it's one that's going to come a little bit later in the month. I think for this particular company, because they are a small company, it just takes time for them to get all of the boxes out, and that is why there is a bit of a big time span in the shipping from when you start seeing boxes on their Instagram saying they're being shipped to maybe when you get your tracking number. So I think that's all the nitty-gritty things that I can think of about Bijou Beauty Box right now. So let me show you what I got in this month's box. It does come with a card. They do just have like a simple thing on the other side, and even the card, it's a cardstock, but it's got like that pearly kind of sheen to it, and it just says January Bijou Beauty Box 2020, Happy New Year, and then it says this box and what it comes with, and then it also lists their social media on the bottom and their website. So yes, again, it has what's in there. It does say the prices on it. I haven't really seen anyone getting like a super high value in their box and someone getting like a value of half of that, but yeah, they do vary quite a bit from box to box. They generally have similar items, but sometimes different brands and sometimes different items as well. If you are really curious about Bijou and kind of what comes in the box, I would suggest going back and either looking through some of my past videos or even just searching it on YouTube and seeing what comes in everyone's boxes from month to month, and then you'll get a good idea of what is coming and what you can expect. Okay, the other nice thing that she does is every box that I've seen, she leaves a message in the inside of the box, and I appreciate that because, you know what, it really is the little things, people taking the time. And as she gets bigger, I keep saying she, I'm assuming, but as this company gets bigger, maybe that won't happen anymore, but for now, I really appreciate But for now, I really do appreciate the little things, the time that she takes out to do these types of things. Okay, so the first item that we have is by Iconic Beauty, and it is their blur stick. And I have used this a couple of times. It's very similar to the Milk Blur stick. I actually like this a little bit better than the Milk Blur stick. It has a different scent. This one smells like coconut cream pie, so it smells very much like that what is it? The Rio de Janeiro, is that what it's called? No. It smells like that Coco Cabana cream that came out that everyone said smelled like butter popcorn. I always just smell coconut cream pie. That's what I'm smelling now, but I really like it. It is, again, just a twist up thing. You put it on your face. It's a primer, and it's very creamy. Compared to the Milk Blur stick, which I find very stiff, this is really more pliable into the skin, and I really like how... And I really did enjoy how this wore underneath my makeup the other day when I wore it. I only tried it one time, but I did enjoy it, and I do like the smell. If you do not like scents like that, you probably won't enjoy this. It didn't dissipate. It kind of lasted throughout the day, which was kind of nice because I enjoy the smell, so every once in a while I would get a whiff of coconut cream pie. But if you don't like that kind of scent, or you're very sensitive to scents, you might have a problem with this. But the actual product and how it performed was really nice. This product retails for $11. So again, considerably cheaper than the Milk Blur stick. I have the mini, and that was 24 Canadian dollars just for the little mini one, and this is a full size for $11. Next up, I have some lashes by Zola, and this is what they look like, and it says they're premium 3D mink lashes, reusable up to 30 times. I haven't worn these yet. I completely forgot they were in the box because I had the box closed and just sitting waiting to do this video. These retail for $12.99, and they're really pretty. They're ones that I will definitely enjoy wearing. They got some va-va-voom to them. Next up, I have an eyeshadow palette by Beauty Creations. This is the Emerald palette. It retails for $11. I actually already have this palette, but I mean, she doesn't know that, but this is a really nice palette. I do enjoy it. I have this one, and I have the volume 2 of it. This is what it looks like. So I'm just going to be giving this away because I don't need it. I don't need to touch into it or anything. I have so many palettes, I'm not going to go through the one that I have. So this one will just sit there and go bad. So I will end up giving this away to someone. But again, $11, and I really do enjoy Beauty Creations eyeshadows. I think they're phenomenal, and I think this is a really nice item to get in the box. The next item I have is by Medusa's Makeup, and it's the Rosé All Day Facial Toner. And when I first saw this, I was a little nervous because I am not a fan of rose scents. This retails for $12.95, and it says it's a toner, which I don't mind. I like toners in actually a spray bottle. I just spray them on my cotton pad, but it does have kind of a sloppy mist if it's something you're going to spray right on your face. But it's a toner, it's not a setting spray or a finishing spray, so it's something you're going to use as part of your skincare and not on top of your makeup, so it's not going to really mess your makeup up. It's going to really douse your face if you do stick it directly on your face, but again, I put it on a cotton pad, and it doesn't have a super strong rose scent at all. It's not something that is making my allergies go kind of crazy, and it's not something that's giving me a headache. It's not lingering. It's not... When I smell it, it doesn't have an overpowering rose scent. I wouldn't even be able to tell you rose was in it. So that's nice for me because, again, I don't like rose scents. But yeah, I'm excited to give this a try and see how well it works. The last item in the box is another eyeshadow palette. And I'm not sure if this was a mistake or not, but I ended up getting 2 of them. And they are from Foodie Cosmetics, and they are the Pizza Slice palettes. They are 2 different ones. There was 4 variations going out in the boxes. These retail for $21.99 each. Again, I don't know if it was a mistake. I'm not complaining in any way, shape, or form. And yeah, I'm excited to get 2, especially because the one is a little bit more neutral and bland, and the other one was what I was really hoping to get. So again, they are by the company Foodie Cosmetics. I do have this one here, which is the Pizza Diet one. It says it on the back. They are a slice. You open it up. It has a nice little mirror there. And then this is very neutral. It's got all your neutral matte colors here, and then it has one kind of shimmery satin shade right here. And I wore these the other day just to test them out. These mattes are so creamy, and they just feel really nice. They blend beautifully. I had no problems at all with the mattes in this palette. I really enjoyed this, and you know what? I was kind of like, when I first saw it, I'm like, it's kind of boring, but these are just so nice on the eyes. They feel really nice, and they blend really nice. I'm happy to have this because it's always good, at least for me, to have a supplementary palette, because sometimes you have palettes that are all shimmers and you just need something to kind of pull out and use quickly with it. So that's perfect for that. And then I have the second one here, which is the Pizza and Chill palette. This one is a little bit more up my alley. Again, it has that mirror, but these are the shades in it. And it does have one matte right here, this kind of rusty orangey red color, but the rest are shimmer satin shades. And again, these shades are just beautiful. They wear really nicely. I've worn them, again, I'm trying to find clean fingers. I wore it the other day without any problems, and I just really enjoyed, there we go. I just really enjoyed the formula on this and how they wore and how it looked on my eyes. They were really easy to use. Well done to this company, you know, gimmicky in the packaging, but the actual product inside is really nice. So the retail value on this box, if I had only gotten one of these palettes, would have been $74.93. Again, not a huge value compared to some of the other bigger boxes that are out there, but I genuinely love everything in this box. I did get a double of this. Again, Bijou Beauty Box doesn't know it's in my collection by any means, so if I didn't have this already, I'd be super excited to have it. Having said that, with the value of $74.93, because I did get that second Foodie Cosmetics pizza palette, it came to $96.92 for the actual value of my box. Not bad for a $30 box, $35.99 I think it is. If you are paying shipping every month, you are getting at least double what you paid for it. And again, the items in here I really like. I'm excited to try them. I love the smell on this. These are really pretty. It's just, again, I can't say enough about this box. I know it's not for everyone. I know there are people who would be like, that's too much eyeshadow, or I don't know those brands, or I'm not interested in getting low values. I get that, but if you have a large collection and this is something you're looking for, if you're gravitating to something that puts an eyeshadow palette out every month, they pretty much do. I've gotten a brush sets several times from this company as well. Not just one brush, but like full set. So I think if you are looking for something different that is kind of away from the norm of what a lot of these bigger boxes are doing, you probably would really enjoy this box. I will leave all the information that I have for Bijou in the description box below, so you can go and check them out if you have any further questions or you need any more information. Let me know in the comments below if you get Bijou Beauty Box and what you thought of this month's box. Did you get the same things as I did, or was it completely different? Thank you so much for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye-bye.